guys, welcome back to London Travelers. So in this next video I'll be showing you around Bali's nightlife and the seafood restaurant we went to by the harbour, and it's really nice, called Surya Cafe. So yeah, let's get started. If you like my video, please comment, like and subscribe. So we are going to have dinner in Surya Cafe, and it's got a variety of the best seafood. It's got lots of good reviews. I don't know what it's like. And this is the street. So come and follow me. They even have a shuttle bus to pick up and drop off customers, which is quite cool. So this is an entrance to the restaurant, so you go through an alleyway. As you can see behind me, it's got a really good view. Here there's Mount Agung and a pirate ship. They're waiting for the sunset. my family's annoying me. And there's a lot of boats to do fishing, and it's got a great view from here, and our table is just in front of us. So yeah, if you look closely, that's another volcano called Mount Batu, but it's further away. Look at how clear the water is. It seems like everyone is having fun on the boat. It seems very lively. This is really good because black tea is 50p, jasmine tea is £1, and that's Thai tea is £1.50.
Obama pernah kesini.
And they've got lobster,
Obama,
crab.
our best seller. Nggak ada bir
Crab
tapi ya.
is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 pounds. So it's actually quite cheap around here.
That pirate ship is so funny.
And of course, any dinner out, we have to cheers before we eat. This is a very typical Indonesian dinner where we have several plates on the table and we can pick and choose. And this is ikan bakar, which is grilled fish and mussels with chili sauce, and fried prawns taken from the sea. And this is really nice. And yeah, the sea is stronger than it is during the day, and you can smell seaweed around here. This is the view at night. I don't know why, but I just feel like the view on camera is not as good as in real life, but that's what it looks like. I just love this scene here with the plane. So after we had dinner, we went back to our villa and we got ready to go for a night out, but it was a chill night out, so we weren't really partying. I was just being sarcastic. So this is the next video. So it's really dark tonight. There's no street lights. You can hear the crickets. We're going to the beach, and we're going to have a little party. I'll see you later. Bye. As we walk out into the main road, you can see all these villas being built. It's 8 o'clock at night and you can see that the street is still busy with cars and motorbikes. Sounds very romantic and stunning, and it's so peaceful at night. This is already the beach. So the next video will be us by the beach at night in the dark and see what it's like. And that was just a sneak peek really. If you like my video, please comment, like and subscribe.